create assignments. In this video, we will learn how to create an assignment for students, how to set assignment options, and how to enable the plagiarism tool SafeAssign.
You can add an assignment to any content area in Blackboard to allow students to submit work like projects, research papers, homework, etc. Assignments need to be graded manually by the instructor. It is recommended that you add your assignments to this assignment link here that is available on the course menu or to specific unit folders. In this example, we will add the assignment in the assignment content area. So click Assignments. As you see, this is a normal content area. It just has the name Assignments. To add an assignment, from the Assessments menu, select Assignment. In this Create Assignment page, we need to set the assignment options. We start with the assignment name, Assignment 1. We can post here any instructions related to the assignment. Of course, we can format this text if we want to. We can also attach a file with more details or resources related to this assignment. So we can browse the computer and look for that specific file. Now it has been added here. If I can actually attach more than one file, and if I change my mind, I can just say do not attach, it will remove the file. We can set the due date. To set the due date, we need to tick this box, and then we need to choose the date and the time. So let's say I want end of day, which means 11:59 on 20 September. Any assignment submitted after this date will be marked late. So students can still submit after the due date, but their assignments will be marked late. It's mandatory to add the points for this assignment, and this is because creating an assignment will add a column to the grade center. So let's give it 10 points. We can add a rubric if needed, but this can be discussed in other sessions. Let's open this link, Submission Details. Opening this link will give me more options to set. The first one, it's the assignment type, and usually by default it's individual, which means every student should submit an individual assignment. I'm going to leave it to the default, but another example is if you have already set groups in your course and you select group submission, every group will only submit one version of the assignment. In our case, we will do it just as an individual assignment. Number of attempts of how many times you're going to allow the students to submit the assignment. By default, it's single, but if you want to give them more options, you can do so. Next, we have plagiarism tools. In order to enable the plagiarism tool SafeAssign, you need to check this box. So the assignment will be checked against the SafeAssign database. You have further options here. And for example, you can click this Allow Students to View the SafeAssign Originality Report to give permission for students to see the report. And this other option can be used if you want this to be a draft and you don't want the submitted assignment to be saved in the global database. We don't recommend this, so files can be compared against each other. Ticking this box, Check SafeAssign, will give you an originality report. So you will receive the submission of the student, and also you will receive an originality report that includes the percentage of any similarities. We have here some options for grading or related to the grade center, and also we have the availability options, so make sure you make this assignment available to students. Or you can also limit the availability, so you display it after a specific date and you hide it after a specific date. So if I want this to be to close on a specific date, for example, if I wanted to close on the same date of the due date, I can click here and choose the same date for the due date. So after this date, students will not be able to see the assignment and they cannot submit anything. At the end, click Submit. The assignment has been added to the assignments page. The students will be able to see the assignment name, any attached documents, and instructions. The students will come to this page and click the assignment link in order to submit the assignment. So students will be able to come and click the assignment. They will see the assignment as we see it on the screen. They will be able to see the due date. They can see the points possible. They can read any instructions. If there is an attachment, they will be able to click and view details. And they will be able here either to write the submission or browse their computer in order to upload a file. And after that, they can just submit. Since we're not a student, we're just going to cancel here. We have seen how to create an assignment. In the next video, we will learn how to grade students' submission.